I didn't drop the water out of it. But yeah, I couldn't figure out what the vibration was, but it turned out that I accidentally poked my foot through here under the wheel, because there's the throttle pedal just there, and it slipped off and went out, and yeah, just the top of my toe went onto that bit. So I think the bulkhead's had it. It has pretty much had it, hasn't it? I mean, we can do a lot of welding to it, but I don't really like doing a lot of welding. It's sort of done its thing, and it's pretty bashed up. So I don't know, I'll have a look, maybe not. And this wheel had come back a bit, but I couldn't see where, because all that's pretty straight. And as it turns out, it's actually kinked right underneath where my feet were. So the chassis has gone there, which is a weird place to go. So that bit's really strong. Turns out that bit isn't so strong. So the next thing to go is that'll come in, and that's where I'm sat. So no, I think she is very much rubbish. So that is it. I've just driven off the truck. It drives good as gold, to be fair, but it is knackered. But it did well, considering it sat there about a year and a half ago, fresh off the lot, as nature intended it to. We didn't have to actually do much to it in terms of putting engines in it. The engine was already in it, but yeah, problems with the carburetors, to say the least. What a cracking car. It did 2 meetings, all the races, held together considering it's a knackered old thing, but it is very much dead now. Not dead, but you know, you turn the life support machine off it really. So we get to save the axles, engine and box, and put the engine and box in something else. Keep all the bits and bobs off it, because I'll tell you what, I'll get another one of those, I reckon. Keep everything on, get a shell, and we chuck that in it. But I lifted it off this time, the roof went. So yeah, time to say goodbye to the Daimler. You're a good old girl.